G'day humans, Chris Stead here. A little quick video relating to the Blink Outdoor 4, which you can see just up there. Maybe you've seen my review video of it, which I posted recently, where I was installing this and running through my thoughts on what is pretty awesome value for money camera. However, one of the things that they advertise is that it's got up to 2 years of battery life, up to 2 years. Now I understand that they would have used like the most lamest settings ever to reach that 2 years, but I thought even with kind of like, you know, a fair bit of use, you get at least a year. Anyway, the first batteries, the ones that came in the box with it, lasted 10 days. And I thought, okay, well, maybe they were Energizers, but I thought, oh, look, who knows how long they've been sitting in that box for? Maybe they just drained themselves or died or were put through some extreme temperature in some airplane cargo hold, I don't know, you know. But now it's gone another 10, 12 days maybe at least, and it's powered off again. It's dead. And you don't get a notification. You don't get any notice that it's dead. It's just, I went to look at some video footage today and was like, oh, it hasn't recorded for 4 days. So I'm about to go up there and take it back down and see if the batteries are dead again, then that's 4 batteries I've gone through in a month. And it's supposed to last 2 years? All right, let's find out. This is as good an opportunity as any to show you just how easy it is to change the batteries at least, because it sounds like I'll be doing it a lot. So all you gotta do is just come up, and that literally just pulls off. Like so, it's that easy. There's no screws or anything to get it off. Probably makes it easy to steal the... so I can see there's no light on there. There's a light that comes on down there as well. You just unscrew this. Just screws off the top. Right, you've got your 2 batteries in there. So I take these out. They're the old, so the Energizer Max as well, they're no slouch. You know, and get some fresh ones out of the packet. It's negative that way, negative that way. Yeah, I can see a red light flashing. That suggests to me that the batteries went flat again in like, can't have been more than 12 days. Deary, deary me. All right, I'll show you how to reinstall it and we'll have a chat about where I stand now with my review, because I don't want to be changing these with brand new batteries every 10 days. That's a pain in the ass. Right, so all you got to really do, just make sure you get it in the right way, because if you turn it that way, it goes vertical and you get a portrait shot. And theoretically and hopefully you get it back on without moving it from the desired position. And just get your hands behind it, kind of get 2 fingers on either side of that, hold it still and just push the middle onto it where that screw was. That's it, she's back on. So that side of it's really good. And you can, later on I'll get the screen, just make sure the angle hasn't changed. Okay, so we're gonna have to check it a little bit, make sure, because I checked the sync module and it was all still synced. So that was still working fine. So I'm pretty sure the batteries just went flat again. And I can't believe it, how disappointed I am. So I don't know what settings they used it on to get to 2 years, but it must be something that's completely useless, because I have literally I've got it on 3/4 motion detection, so I can detect stuff like to the street behind you, which is about an extra, it's probably 10 meters. And I've got it recording for 10 seconds. Originally I had it recording for 15 seconds and I thought, okay, well, let's drain the battery. So that's what it's in 10 seconds, but it still drained the battery. I'll try putting it down to 5 seconds this time, and I'll put something in the comments see if it lasts a bit longer, but 5 seconds isn't very long to capture someone in the act of doing something, which is the whole point of it. So, yeah. If these ones last 10 days as well, like I said, I'll put something in the comments, but as it currently stands, as far as I can tell, the battery life on this is so far from 2 years, it's almost false advertising. Like 10 days? like not even a month between 4 sets of batteries. So anyway, that's what the battery life is really like with the Blink Outdoor 4 as per the settings that I just explained to you, and we'll see how we go, huh? Okay, so I can confirm they were flat batteries, so I've just checked and it's now working fine again. So that's 2 Energizer Maxes, and look, I'll be conservative and say that it lasted 14 days, I reckon 12. No, because it's been dead for 4 days already, yeah, so 10, 12 days, that's all you get out of a couple of AA batteries on a Blink Outdoor 4 if you're filming 10 seconds of footage with about 3/4 of the way up the motion detection sensitivity. I'm Chris Stead, thank you very much for watching, check you later.